Mindfulness of the present moment. Theme: fully experiencing what is here now. Sit quietly and allow your eyes to close. Begin by feeling the breath in and out as your anchor to the now. Bring awareness to your senses. What sounds are present? What can you feel against your skin? Notice the texture of this moment without needing to change or judge it. Each breath is a doorway back to now. Each sensation is a chance to wake up to life as it is. Inhale presence. Exhale distraction. Right here, right now. Nothing else is required. Stay with this awareness for a few breaths. When you are ready to come back, slowly open your eyes, arriving fully in the present.